Welcome back, guys. This is our new renovation project. We are here in Pattaya. We are Pattaya House Builder. And this house is very special because, normally when we do a house, our architect make the floor plan. But this time we said, let's play a game. And so we said to the full staff, all of our team, that you can come up with your own version of the house. And whoever makes the best plan wins the prize. And so this house is basically a mixture of all these plans that we came up with. So let's go inside and let's see what we did.
Before I show you the interior of the house, you're gonna see how the house looked like before. When you enter the house, you have a pool table on your right. After coming from the entertainment area into the living area, we can start right here on the dining table. That's a very exclusive marble matching perfect to that luxurious design what we are running in this house. The kitchen back there is also in a very good size, an island with bar chairs, great place for the breakfast or in the evening to have a drink. Opposite here from the dining table, we have this big opening with a tropical garden in the back. Following here, we have the TV area. It's nice, big, built-in furniture and a super comfortable sofa in front of it. Also in this house, we did a lot of extensions. For example, the whole bedroom, what you're gonna see back there later.
And now I'm coming up to the second floor. You can look at this stair. And look at this curved glass. It's custom made for this house. Behind me is a custom made wall panel with these lights. And then now I let the guys to show you the master bedroom, which is on my left side, and the queen bedroom, which is on my right side. Let's go have a look.
After passing this very fancy wall panel with LED, we have this small bedroom right here. And straight forward, you are going into the queen bedroom. The queen bedroom, this time we used a little bit more soft colors. So the room is very creamy, which gives a luxurious but still very comfortable feeling. The bed background is of course upholstered like always. And all the wall panels, built-in closet and everything else is fully equipped. In the queen bathroom, we decided to use this time a green natural stone for the bathroom counter. Right besides that, we have the corner bathtub, and back there in the corner, a double shower, like always.
Coming into the master bedroom, you'd see this stunning bathtub background made out of stone veneer, a fully panoramic windows all around, beautiful upholstery. And did I mention that this room was extended out from the old foundation, the old structure of the house. And the right side of the room, we meet the master bedroom bathroom, which have double vanity for him and her, and double shower for him and for her. We made a fabulous design to this room. Check it out. Coming out from the poolside bedroom, we meet the lounge area, which you have a barbecue, sitting area where you can relax with your friends. We have a pool shower, nice garden, and check this jet spa of the swimming pool. Works perfectly.
This time, for you to get a much better understanding of the entire house, we will show you the floor plan of the first and second floor.
Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. And I have something very special to tell you, because now we're gonna make a giveaway and we're gonna give away baseball caps and golf t-shirts, and you can find on the Pattaya House Builder Facebook page this giveaway. So please like this video and then go to the Facebook page and win very nice baseball caps and golf t-shirts. See you in the next video.